Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Is your Cronus Zen constantly disconnecting from your PlayStation 5? It's a common and incredibly frustrating problem, especially as consoles evolve and update. Don't worry, you're not alone, and thankfully, there are clear steps you can take to fix it. This guide will help you understand why it's happening, and more importantly, how to stop those interruptions for good. Before diving deep, let's look at the usual suspects. Often, a cheap or worn-out USB cable is the main cause. Always use high-quality ones. Also, ensure your Zen is receiving enough power, especially if you're using multiple accessories. And finally, an outdated Cronus Zen firmware often creates compatibility headaches, so let's keep that in mind. The absolute first thing you should do is ensure everything is current. Start by updating your Cronus Zen's firmware to the very latest version available through Zen Studio. Then, make sure Zen Studio itself is also fully updated on your PC. These essential updates frequently resolve known disconnection issues and improve overall stability with your PlayStation 5. Now, let's focus on your PlayStation 5. Always use a high-quality USB 2.0 cable. Cheap ones are often unreliable. Experiment with different USB ports on your console, as some provide more stable power. You might also want to disable power to USB ports in rest mode within your PS5 settings, which can prevent odd power cycles. If you're still experiencing problems, a factory reset on your Cronus Zen can often clear out stubborn glitches, but this is a last resort. For persistent issues, reaching out to Cronus support is always a good idea, as they can offer personalized advice. Keep in mind that console updates might temporarily affect Zen functionality, so patience is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.